Welcome to Animal Factory, where nature's finest raw materials are transformed into the world's most exceptional luxury goods. Every journey begins at the gates of Animal Factory. Here, only for our world-renowned production process. Our Brahmins arrive in transported with the utmost care. Each animal represents generations of premium breeding and meticulous husbandry. The receiving area provides a calm transition from transport to our care. Here, each animal begins its journey through our premium production cycle.
Initial assessment begins immediately. Our team evaluates overall condition, temperament, and horn quality, the foundation of our luxury goods. Hydration is the first priority upon arrival. Our automatic water systems deliver purified water at the ideal temperature for optimal health and comfort. Our Brahmins receive a custom-blended nutrition program developed by veterinary nutritionists. Every meal supports peak health and premium horn development. Comfort is essential to our approach. Each pen is prepared with fresh straw and ample space, ensuring our animals remain calm throughout their time with us. The veterinary inspection corridor ensures every animal meets our rigorous health standards. Advanced medical technology provides complete insight into each Brahmin's well-being. Real-time vital sign monitoring tracks heart rate, respiration, temperature, and stress indicators. This data ensures optimal health status before any process begins.
Our automated scanning arch uses advanced imaging to assess overall health, bone density, and horn composition. This non-invasive technology provides a complete health profile. Every data point is reviewed by our veterinary team. This comprehensive assessment ensures each animal meets the exceptional standards required for our luxury production, with attention to density, curvature, and surface integrity. Only the finest specimens advance to our production floor.
Upon full health clearance, each animal is ready for the next phase. This approval marks the beginning of our transformation process. From health certification to production preparation, each animal moves through our facility with precision and care. This is craftsmanship without compromise. The processing floor is where raw horn begins its transformation. Our advanced facilities combine traditional techniques with modern precision engineering. Each horn arrives at processing with meticulous tracking from its source. Curves and variations make every piece distinct and valuable. Initial cleaning removes surface debris while preserving the horn's natural patina. This delicate process requires both skill and patience.
Controlled boiling softens the keratin structure, making the horn workable while preserving its natural color and integrity.
Timing is critical. The horn is removed at the precise moment of optimal pliability, allowing it to be shaped without losing its natural strength. Using traditional straightening tools, our craftsmen gradually align the natural curvature. This process creates perfectly uniform components. Precision cutting transforms raw horn into dimensional blanks. Each section is cut with exacting measurements for its intended purpose. Each section is graded by size, density, and color consistency. Only the finest pieces continue to our Artisan workshop. Horn sections are carefully dried to stabilize moisture content. This crucial step prevents warping and ensures dimensional stability. Rough sanding begins the process of refinement. Surface imperfections are gently removed, revealing the horn's natural internal beauty.
Quality checks occur at every stage. Only perfectly processed sections advance to the Artisan workshop for final crafting.
The Artisan workshop is where skill and material unite, transform raw horn sections into premium luxury components. Precision lathe work transforms rough sections into refined components. This is where raw material becomes product.
Hand carving adds distinctive detail that cannot be replicated by machine. Each piece bears the mark.
Fine sanding brings the horn to its final surface quality. The material's natural warmth and beauty are revealed through patient refinement.
Individual components are prepared for assembly. Each piece has been crafted to exacting standards for seamless integration, pinnacle of luxury accessory design. Each set is hand-assembled with precision and care. Final polishing creates an extraordinary depth of finish. The horn's natural translucency captures light in a way unique to this material. This is the result of our process, a finished component of endless beauty. Each horn button is precisely matched for color and grain. Only identical pairs are packaged for our luxury clients. Fine horn knobs and handles are precision-turned to exact specifications. These components add distinctive character to any creation. The surface of a finished horn knob reveals the material's natural structure. This organic beauty is the hallmark of our products. Our artisan team works in harmony, each member contributing their expertise to the final creation. This is craftsmanship without compromise. Quality control is the final gate in our process. Every finished component must pass our rigorous inspection standards. Digital surface inspection identifies any microscopic imperfections. Only flawless components receive final approval. Manual inspection provides the final verification. Our inspectors have decades of combined experience in evaluating luxury materials. Density testing verifies the material's structural integrity. Our data ensures every horn component meets our premium standards. Color consistency is essential for premium products. Each component must match the exact animal factory standard. Every measurement must be within our exacting tolerances. This precision is what distinguishes animal factory products. Each component receives complete documentation of its quality inspection. This traceability is our commitment to excellence.
Quality approval marks the completion of our production process. These components are now ready for luxury packaging.
The packaging room is where our finished products receive their final presentation. Every element reflects our premium standard. Each component is individually wrapped in premium tissue paper. This protective presentation maintains perfection until delivery.
The premium box is assembled with precision. The component is placed securely within, ready for its journey to market. Gold ribbon and seal complete the presentation. This is the Animal Factory promise, exceptional quality in
Each finished package represents hours of craftsmanship and years of expertise. This is the Animal Factory standard.
The Animal Factory logo represents a commitment to excellence. Every box carries this promise of exceptional quality.
The packaging team ensures each product leaves our facility perfectly presented. This is the final stage before luxury.
A final inspection confirms every package meets our standards before it leaves our facility. Quality is never compromised. Export-ready packages await their journey to luxury markets around the world. Animal Factory products travel with our reputation.
From our facility to luxury markets worldwide, Animal Factory products begin their global journey. Each departure carries our commitment to quality. Animal Factory products travel to discerning clients. Animal Factory stands at the intersection of nature and innovation. Our commitment to excellence defines every. Our Brahmins live in comfort and peace. Their health and well-being are our greatest priorities. From Animal Factory to luxury markets around the world, this is craftsmanship.